begin.
Breaking news, everyone. I've finally decided to do an episode on our popular CHT package due to popular demand. Now, for starters, I'd like to say welcome to this special episode on how you may better protect yourself during the present upsurge in coronavirus cases that is presently taking place. Now, I've been contacted by so many individuals asking if there were ways in which they can better protect themselves from becoming infected, or if they were to become infected, can acupuncture or herbs help alleviate some of the symptoms that one can experience? Now, my answer to that is yes. Now, you see, during this pandemic, I've had many contact me to order herbal teas, herbal capsules, as well as other immune boosting decoctions to help get them through such trying times. Those that reside or work near my clinic have come in thus far to receive moxibustion therapy to boost their immune system, as well as order our popular CHT package to better prepare them for the present surge of infections, as well as upcoming cold and flu season. Now, I've shied away from doing this episode because my supplies of CHT packages are not as replete as I would like for it to be. Now, I've been receiving large orders for the CHT package, and then most times on back order. So if you attempt to place an order or are told we are out of stock or to give an extra week, please be patient. Now, for what's included in the CHT package, first, it's an herbal tea that consists of 6 herbs that are used to prevent or treat respiratory viral infections. This herbal tea formula specializes in expelling viral pathogenic qi, clearing heat with the property of inhibiting the proliferation of various pathogenic microorganisms, including bacteria, fungus, as well as different types of respiratory viruses. Now, the herbal capsules that are included in the CHT package focus on expelling viral pathogenic qi in the respiratory tract. Now, these herbal capsules have the ability to alleviate respiratory symptoms caused by acute respiratory tract viral infection and inflammation. Now, these herbal capsules, they also help clear toxic damp heat and attempts to remove pro-inflammatory cytokines to reduce cytokine storm and address acute respiratory distress syndrome that's usually caused by the viral infection. Now, these herbal capsules also address symptoms such as fever, cough, sore throat, nausea, breathing difficulties, diarrhea, as well as fatigue. Now, the CHT package also contains plant enzymes that can expel pathogenic wind, in this case, respiratory virus. It also clears heat, tonify defensive qi deficiency relative to lack of strength and shortness of breath, as well as treat muscle aches and joint pain as a result of a respiratory viral infection. The CHT package also includes a zinc supplement to assist with immune function, as well as supporting your sense of taste and smell. As most of you are already aware, many have already lost their sense of taste and smell as a result of having been infected with the coronavirus. Now, in no way would I state that this is a cure-all to the coronavirus or the flu, but in speaking from experience, those that have ordered this package from me, they raved about it hard. Now, for those that are interested, simply go to acupuncturesmylife.com to place an order, or simply click on the link below. Other than that, be well, and as I always say to my audience, acupuncture is my life. What's yours?